The last tab I'm going to show you is graphics. And graphics is just where you can put text. There are a lot of templates for text that you can, drag over and then click on your graphic, which is going to be this green, or this pink rather, square. And you can click right over here to edit the text, and I'll put movie. And you can experiment with all this stuff and try to edit the text as much as you want. One thing you can also do that I think is fun to do is if you go to File, New, and then select Legacy Title, just call this title, you can make the text look however you want. If none of those graphics look good for you, if you don't like any of the templates, you can come over here and just write my movie, and then you have a lot of tools to do whatever you want. You can choose what font you want, and you can even put shapes. So I like to do like a square, and I'll make the square like a cool color. But I can make squares and just kind of make a cool design, really do whatever you want here, but I think, that might look kind of cool and artsy. And then once I X out and save that, I have a title that I can drag wherever I want. So, I can delete this template that we used and drag my title right here. And you might think, Abba, that looks really boring. It's just sitting there. But you can go to Effects, and you can take any of these transitions and put them on your title. So one transition that I really like is light leaks under immersive video. So if I drag light leaks onto my title, let's see what it does. You can watch that it kind of flashes when it comes in. Or you can even try something like 3D motion, and then I like cube spin. And so it'll flash, and then it'll kind of flip out. So flash in and then flip out. So if you make your own graphics using File, New, Legacy Title, you can also put any of these effects on the graphics to make it look however you want.